If you find your refrigerator door can't be closed, please check it according to the following steps. Cause summary. If the door can't be closed, the reasons may be 1. The door sprang open with too much force or forgets to close. 2. Food is not placed properly. 3. The gasket may be deformed. 4. The refrigerator is not placed properly. Solution. Don't slam the door so hard that it sprang open. And make sure the door is closed after using. Open the refrigerator to check the using status of it. Recognize food and clean cabinet and shelves to make sure the door not locked. Check the gasket of refrigerator. Adjust with a hair dryer or replace the seal of the refrigerator. First, is the refrigerator located on flat land? Adjust the refrigerator, make sure it is located evenly. If problem is still not solved, please contact our higher customer service.